Welcome! In this video, we'll answer some of the most frequently asked questions about epoxy flooring for the healthcare system. Whether you're managing a hospital, clinic, or medical facility, we'll cover everything you need to know about durability, hygiene, safety, and maintenance. Let's dive in. Why is epoxy flooring suitable for healthcare facilities? Epoxy flooring is seamless, non-porous, and easy to clean, making it ideal for maintaining hygiene in hospitals, clinics, and laboratories. Its durability and resistance to chemicals ensure it can withstand the demands of healthcare environments. Can epoxy flooring handle high traffic in hospitals? Yes, epoxy flooring is designed to endure heavy foot traffic, equipment movement, and frequent cleaning, making it a durable choice for healthcare facilities. Is epoxy flooring safe for patients and staff? Epoxy flooring can be customized with slip-resistant finishes, enhancing safety by reducing the risk of slips and falls in high-traffic areas. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on the frequently asked questions about epoxy flooring for healthcare system, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.